Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome everyone. Happy and have a nice day. In this video I'm going to introduce you a Turkish coffee. Manufacture and presentation of Turkish coffee is cooked and how to be done in this video. I will talk about the benefits and harms of coffee. Turkish coffee from the Ottoman period to the present day hasn't changed much. I visited the manufacturer of the most famous coffee in the city I live for you, and I did the shoot. I'm showing the difference between raw coffee beans and roasted coffee beans. Firstly, it needs to kavurum 10 minutes of raw coffee beans. This great machine has a rotating hot body. "10 minutes at 10 pounds for a period of 180 degrees coffee beans is cooked. I'm showing temperature and duration indicating the parts of the machine. He has never stopped working gas in the electric machine and is roasting coffee beans. The chimney of the machine showing a portion of the accumulation of dandruff and will not be used. Always the same fresh coffee beans continues to prepare by the methods. Checking the status of coffee beans. Are falling to the ground like the swirling hot coffee roasting cauldron. This cooler works as coffee beans immediately cooled to prevent burning. If you like the videos, click on the following thumb up sign. Make sure that you can acclaim by making more people see it. Thank you for watching my videos and follow me. 10 minutes is cooled in this manner, turning the coffee beans mingling hot. Cooled coffee beans from the chamber is emptied. Grinding coffee beans entering the process is inserted into the sack. After it has cooled the beans, the grinding process is entering this machine. The doctor says is most healthy for drinking coffee twice a day. The most important feature of Turkish coffee is prepared from the nuclei of the chemical reaction. A summary of Turkish coffee are completely natural and the benefits are not inflated seeds as become. Coffee has a protective effect against diseases and strengthen the immune system. It is effective against Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. A headache is coming, smell good. Sweet and prevents food cravings, keeps you satiated when consumed as milk. Metabolism accelerates blood circulation in the brain. It is suitable to consume before exercise rather than the effects of coffee on the attenuation. As you can see, Turkish coffee grinder large coffee grains into powder. Entering into the packaging process and doubly layered paper packaging are additional. Are sold at a price of $100 a gram, enough for the small cup at the front. When consumed over 3 cups per day, blood pressure can increase blood pressure in those with patients with heart rhythm problems can trigger palpitations. When taken too much can lead to osteoporosis. When you drink coffee with cream, calories entering your body is to eat a big hamburger. 2 cups of almonds for you. Now I'll show you how to cook Turkish coffee. Lidded cups, copper coffee pot, marshmallow treats, chocolate and water. There is a need for. You need to cook your coffee in moderation. Add a small spoon for a small cup. Optionally, the sugar is added. The healthiest thing is a simple one. Coffee and cold water have to be made. It is noticed that the quality of water are measured and added to water in a cup. Dust the coffee is done are stored in airtight manner and become rancid easily when exposed to air. Oxygen is the enemy of coffee. Coffee packaging typically is made of paper. Store in a glass jar. Store it in the bag is unsanitary. It is important to have coffee a slow boil on a high fire is not used. Section is placed on the hot cups to warm up. The resulting foam is taken in advance and is added to the glass cup. When it reaches the boiling point, boiled not more immediately, it is taken from the fire. More if boiled, the taste goes sour. The coffee is ready and the cup on the side served with water and add to sweet ikram lick. Brewing coffee with a silver carafe in this region are the Arabs of Arabia. Wanted to mention that tea. Useful information to you. If we can, we are happy. Bon appetit. I hope you liked my video and don't forget to visit my channel. Subscribe to my channel and my other to follow recipes. Select a video of me and I would like to thank you for watching. The doctors says is most healthy for drinking coffee twice a day.